Okay, so here's my grapefruit tree. I've been going for 4 years now, and there's a flower on it. Pretty excited about that. I'm hoping that it might produce me a grapefruit this year, which would be pretty awesome. Here's another one here from, I think this one's 3 years old. And then I think these ones, I can't remember if these were lemons or what I did with those. These are my lime ones from Costa Rica. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's been a long wait for this little guy. So hopefully a bee comes by and pollinates it. I'm not sure if grapefruit trees need to have a male and a female tree, or just a bunch of different trees to cross-pollinate with, like you would some other trees like cherries and blueberries, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick update on my grapefruit since I did my last quick video. I'm just going to cut this in so you guys can see it, but it did germinate. Sorry, it did get pollinated. And here he is right here. He's looking pretty tiny still, but I have a grapefruit, and since I last filmed this piece has grown up here as well. So he's growing and he's producing fruit. Keep watering him here on the deck. So there we go, I got my first grapefruit ever. Hopefully next year we get some more flowers on it and get some more grapefruits. So I'll update this, or I'll probably do a new video halfway through the summer when this is hopefully ready to eat. I'm not sure how long they take to grow. So there you go, hope you guys enjoyed that little video on my grapefruit and my first experience with it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit thumbs up, share it around, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.